Hello students, welcome to video class. It's biology for class 9. In biology we are reading about epithelial tissue, different types of epithelial tissue. In the video I have uploaded previously, I discussed the structure, position and function of squamous epithelium and cuboidal epithelium. In this video I will discuss the structure, position and function of columnar epithelium and also about compound epithelium. Columnar epithelium, it possesses all the general characteristics of epithelial tissue, right? It differs from other type of epithelium in the shape of cells. The shape of this tissue are cylindrical pillar-like. Columnar epithelium made by cylindrical pillar-like cells which arranged in a single layer, and these lie very close to each other, means are compactly arranged and sit on the basement of fibrous connective tissue. Well, columnar epithelium sometimes contains, in certain part of body, contains microvilli and cilia. Well, next occurrence, position, right? So this tissue is present in fallopian tube or oviduct in female. It is also present in kidney tubules, that is nephron, right? In intestine, columnar epithelium are also present in the mucosa of intestine. In fallopian tube, these cells, means epithelium, columnar epithelial tissue contains hair-like cilia, right? Which are responsible, which helps in the movement of ovum or zygote. In fallopian tube or oviduct, the fundal separate portion of fallopian tube called infundibulum possesses cilia. Or cilia helps in moving egg cell or zygote through the duct. In intestine, columnar epithelium cells have cilia or microvilli. These microvilli increases the surface area for the absorption of food, increases surface area for absorption of digested food. These are some of the important function of columnar epithelium in different parts of our body, in different body parts. Now next we will discuss about compound epithelium. Compound epithelium is multilaminar, that is consisting of many layers of cells. Simple epithelium made by only one layer of cells, while compound epithelium made by many layers of cells. These are multilaminar. Well, there are two main types of compound epithelium: stratified epithelium and transitional epithelium. These two types of compound epithelium differs in many characteristics. For example, in the number of layers of cells. A stratified epithelium generally made by 5 to 8 layers of cells, while transitional epithelium have 4 to 5 layers of cells. Okay? Stratified epithelium are less stretchable, while transitional epithelium are comparatively more stretchable. Basement membrane, the lowermost layer of cells in stratified epithelium sit on basement membrane. This membrane is absent in transitional epithelium. Well, stratified epithelium is present in a skin of tetrapods animals, right? It is also present in our tongue, mouth cavity and esophagus. While transitional epithelium mainly present in different parts of urinary system, say ureter and urinary bladder. Well, the function of stratified epithelium is protection from mechanical bearing and tearing and also from germs. While transitional epithelium present in ureter and urinary bladder, right? Their main role is dilation of urinary bladder to store urine. Okay? I hope you all understood the structure, position and function of columnar epithelium. Also, the two kinds of compound epithelium, stratified epithelium and transitional epithelium. That's all. Thank you.